Respect, we the All Adivasi Student Association of Assam, ASA, Golaghat District Committee, under the central presidency of Gomke Godwin Hamrom, seeks your kind attention and intervention in resolving the long-lasting demand of the Adivasi communities of Assam. Despite their significant contribution to the socio-economic development of the state, the Adivasi continue to face marginalization and neglect. We humbly present the following issues for your immediate consideration. 1. Settling of Adivasi communities of Assam. The Adivasi of Assam, comprising communities like Munda, Orang, Sautal, Gaur and others, have been demanding settled tribes status for decades. The lack of this recognition has deprived these communities and constitutional safeguard and development benefit. We request the state government to send the pending reports to central government at the earliest by expediting the process. Number 2, issuance of OBC caste certificate as Adivasi, not T tribes. The current practice of issuing OBC caste certificate, the T tribes category, undermines the identity of specific tribes like Munda, Orang, Gaur, Sautal, etc. We request the government to issue OBC caste certificate, identify these communities as Adivasi rather than cabling them under a generic term of Assam as T tribes. Number 3, daily minimum wage of rupees 350 for T 550 for tea garden workers. Tea industry is the backbone of the state economy. The current wage does not ally with the rising cost of living. The daily minimum age was last determined in the year of 2016. After that, it is only interim wage hike for the tea garden workers of Assam. Thus, we urge the government to fix the daily minimum wage of the tea garden workers as per norms to ensure their dignity and well-being. 4th, land patta of Adivasis. Thousands of Adivasis families are residing in tree garden, ceiling and forest land. These people constantly lie under the threat of eviction. We request the government to issue land patta to these families to secure their livelihood and provide them with their land ownership. 5th, special consideration for Assam-Nagaland border communities. Communities along the Assam-Nagaland border, particularly in disputed forest belt like the Disputed Area Belt (DAB), face legal insecurity and ecological risks. We also noticed during eviction to suspected citizens from forest land, some Naga groups tried entering and claiming the same land of Assam as Nagaland. We demand land security to protect land and protection of their uncertain habitats. We firmly believe that addressing this issue will not only uplift the Adivasi society but also in the growth of Assam. We request your kind interaction and urge you to take immediate and decisive action to address this demand. Yours sincerely, President Ilyas Tiga, Secretary Navojit Ati. Copy to Deputy Commissioner Golaghat and Superintendent of Police Golaghat.
মই এখন ৰিচিভ কৰি